Hello, intermediate algebra classes. Hope you guys are all well. Today we are going to just go over quickly how we solve systems by elimination. Firstly, make sure all your equations are in ax plus by equals c form, standard form. And then really after that, you're just looking at how do I get opposites? And sometimes that might mean you don't need to do anything at all. You might already have opposites. Other times that means you might have to multiply one or maybe both of the equations to get opposites of each other. And just a reminder, when we're thinking of opposites, we really want opposites are like negative 3x and positive 3x. We want those to be opposites of each other. And if they're not, again, we have to do some multiplying. Okay, so that's really what we're looking for. And then we go through a couple of different things. Once we have that, we add the equations together. You should be able to solve for a variable and then plug back in and write it, plug back into the other one and get another solve for the other variable and then write it as an ordered pair. Okay, so let's give this a try. We started this problem right here, or we at least wrote it down that Monday, I think it was. So when we're looking at a problem like this and we want to solve by elimination, we want to start by saying, okay, do I have opposites here or here with the x's or y's? And you can see here I've got negative 5x and positive 2x, and I've got 2y and 3y. Neither spot do I have opposites. So we have to do some multiplying. And so when we're thinking of that, let's see, just go to a different color here. I'm going to say let's get rid of y. So I look at 2y and 3y and I say, what is the smallest number that both of those two numbers go into? And that would be 6. So I have to say, how do I need one of them to be 6y and one of them to be negative 6y, so they're opposites. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by 3 so that I get 6y. And then on the bottom, I need this to be negative 6y. So I say, all right, I got 3y. I need to multiply that by negative 2 to give me negative 6y. And then I need to multiply all the way through. So 3's got to multiply by negative 5x, 2y, and 32. So let's do that. We get negative 15x plus 6y equals 96. And I've come to realize that writing on the iPad for me kind of sucks. All right, so then on the bottom we're multiplying by negative 2 all the way through, so I get negative 4x minus 6y equals negative 20. And then a reminder, we're going to add these together. So I put a little plus sign. That sort of looks like a plus sign. We're going to add these together. And so now I got negative 19x. These cancel out. Equals 76. All right. So now solving this, finally I'm going to go divide by negative 19 on both sides. And that gives me x equals negative 4. All right, so now once you have one variable, you want to decide where do you want to put that x, either in the top equation or the bottom equation. You're going to go back to one of your original ones. So you're really looking at, all right, do I want to plug it into this equation or this one? And it doesn't really matter. You're going to get the same answer. Just try to make it easier for yourself. I personally like this second one a little better. I'm going to use this ugly color here. So I got 2x plus 3y equals 10. And now I'm going to take x and plug it in. So I have 2 times negative 4 plus 3y equals 10. So negative 8 plus 3y equals 10. Now I'm solving for y. So I want to add 8 first. So those cancel out. I get 3y now equals 18. Okay. I'm gonna Makes this a little bit smaller so we can see what's going on here. And then lastly, I need to divide by 3. So y equals 6. When you finish this up, make sure you don't forget to write your answer as an ordered pair. So let's write our answer as x is first, so -4, comma 6. And that's my answer. All right, I hope this all makes sense. Feel free to review it for any questions that you may have. I hope you all are well. Take care of yourselves. See you later.